god, the big bumps! That's such a cool view that you guys could have been seeing if you had a Jeep. Hell yeah.
This isn't a Tacoma.
Look at that sunset that you guys are missing. Man, it's such a beautiful sight. Yeah, we could have gone farther, but you have a Toyota.
This is a perfect trail for this too, man.
Oh,
It is
I know.
awesome.
Trail braided. Put to the test.
Good work, son.
60 miles an hour. Yeah! 75! Okay. Gotta go slow.
20!
Hopefully the insurance covers the new paint job.
That's a log there.